Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to assign specific access or capabilities for different user role in WordPress. Other user role like subscriber can have access of WordPress like edit page or edit their own page, add or edit their own product. So we are going to assign different access for user role by using plugin. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in WordPress dashboard. On left side you see plugin. So click on add plugin. So we are going to assign capabilities for different user roles. Then in search plugin write publish press capabilities. So we are using this plugin. So this is plugin we will use. So click on install now and then click on activate it. So after activating plugin, so we are in dashboard. Now you see roles enable, capabilities enable, editor feature enable. So we enable this setting. On left side you see capabilities dashboard, and then you see roles capabilities. You see multiple option. So click on capabilities. Now you see role capabilities. You see drop down. You see all roles, user role we have, contributor, customer. Now you see shop manager, subscriber, author. Now we select subscriber, and then you see editing, deletion, private, taxonomies, media, comments, user, admin. So we are going to assign feature to this user role. Now you see edit, edit other, publish, edit private. Now you see if you want to assign all, now select. So this user role can create page, also edit their page. If you want, you can allow this user role to edit other pages. If you don't want to allow this user role to edit other user pages, now uncheck. Now you see how to use capabilities. Capability granted, enable this option. Capability not granted, uncheck. And then you see third option cross. Capability denied, even if granted by another role, like this again. Now you see, so it's up to you. So you can assign different functionality to this user role subscriber, and then click on save changes. Now you see pages, menu, product. Now you see deletion. If you want, you can allow this user role to delete pages, delete their own page. If you enable this option, then delete other user pages. Now you see private, media, edit file, upload file. If you want, you can allow this user to upload file. Now you see comments, you see multiple options. So you can assign setting according to requirement. Now you see if you want, you can edit theme, switch theme, manage. Now you see plugin. If you want, you can allow install plugin. So this user can install plugin. And then you see publish press capabilities, manage capabilities role. You see a lot of options. Now you see WooCommerce, manage product term. Now you see assign shop, Yoast SEO, Forminator. So you can do setting according to requirement, and then click on save changes. Now setting saved. If you want, you can create new custom role. So open it. So it's up to you. So we are in role section. Now you see add new. So you can click on it and then create custom role. Now setting saved, and then we are going to log in with the subscriber role to check. So we added username and password, and this is the subscriber role access, and then click on login. Now login done, and then you see profile, and then we access pages. Now you don't see any plugin or theme section here. We only allow pages by using plugin. So you can assign anything to any custom role or user role according to requirement. Now you see, so they can add page. Now you see add page open, and then click on publish. Now you see product. So we are in product section. Now you see all product they can edit, but this user subscriber cannot delete any product. So in this way you can assign different functionality to different user role. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.